Hey friends, I'm back and I'm Xuhmbuddy, and it's rainy season here in the Philippines. And what's good to eat in a cold and rainy day? I know it's mainit pa din here. It's a warm bowl of hot bulalo soup. So let's go find some. So when you hear the term bulalo, it usually comes to our mind as beef soup. But in what particular part of the beef, do you know that? Or a part of the cow? So you don't know. It's actually this part of the cow. It's from the cow. It's the cows. Or what we call the beef shank. And where else to find a good bulalo spot here in Pampanga is inside Clark. Fontillas Bulaluhan. We got a Bulaluhan inside the Clark. That's my first time hearing it. And then pretty reputationable, or a lot of people are eating here. So let's try it out. Wait, order muna sa harap bago pumasok. I think we can order here first. Ate, order po.
Ano po?
Isa pong bulalo, tsaka isa pong lechong kawali,
Ano?
tsaka dalawa pong rice. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Let's order here at the counter. And then let's find our seat. So it's going to rain any time right now, but still very hot. It's humid, very humid. It's like moisty, and then I don't know, just it feels like I want to sweat every time. So here's our first dish. We got the lechon kawali, but this is not the main dish. The main dish here is the bulalo. This one is 150 pesos. So let's try the lechon kawali first before the bulalo comes. Fatty and soft, very crispy. Don't know if you heard the crunch, but yeah, crispy, soft. Very good. So this is something that most Filipino will order in carinderia, the lechon kawali. But out of many lechon kawali I've eaten, it's one of the best. So this is our bulalo soup. Wow, looking at this bowl, we got a huge piece of beef chop, some scallions, some green onion, and then a huge piece of chuck bone. And wow, look at that bone marrow. That's something that I'm gonna sip on later. Wow. And then we got a pretty clear broth, clear bulalo broth. So let's take a bite. Wow, so rich, and then that deep beef flavor that's from, I think, hours of boiling in this broth. And then you got this, a very warm, hearty bowl of Filipino bulalo broth. Wow, let's try the piece of the beef. Cheers. So the beef is not overly tender, but it's pretty soft, I can say. And then you got that chewiness. You got that. The more you chew on it, the more beef flavor comes out from the mouth. Oh, definitely amazing. And then let's try this bone marrow. I think I should just sip on the bone. Or wow, look at that bone marrow. I just sip from the bone. Soft bone marrow, just like butter. Oily, fatty bone marrow. No, this is another depth of flavor. And then paired it with the soup. Wow. I'm gonna make some Filipino sauce, the toyo mansi. Let's break the chili first to pair up with our bulalo. Yeah, I think that's good. some calamansi, and some soy sauce. Wow, our bulalo beef. Cheers, guys. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah. Here's some rice. Mm. And then let's try to remove this bone marrow from the bone itself. So, wow, wow! Look at that piece of bone marrow. From this bone, we got that huge piece of bone marrow, and then we also got some meat on the bone. Let's nibble on the bone. Mm? Mm. Let's try the bone marrow next with some sauce, with some toyo mansi. Here. Mm. Wow. The bone marrow literally melts inside your mouth. Yeah. I don't know how to describe it. It's like eating beef fat rather than butter. Other people say that it's similar to butter. It's like butter melting inside your mouth, but it's more like beef fat, but with a very, very deep beef flavor. So what's better than having some bulalo in a rainy day? It's about to rain actually. It's gonna rain anytime soon, but it just makes it even better. You want to eat bulalo? You also want to eat bulalo? So the bulalo is 350 pesos. Then the lechon kawale is 120 pesos. And then we got two rice, so that is 15 pesos each. So 500 pesos in total for some good lunch here in Fontillas, Bulaluhan. So yeah, pretty nice. This is a pretty hidden spot inside Clark because you won't even think of having carindera here inside Clark. So it's actually like a small community here. We got a barber shop there, some sari-sari store. Here we also got a small bake shop, and then some stores that sells, I don't know, some necessities, daily necessities. And then yeah, and then there where we eat our bulalo. So this ends our video for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next food adventure.